Okay, you ready? All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Good boy. Oh, girl. Ready? 1, 2, catch it. Very good. Okay. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Have fun? Here you go. 1, 2, 3. Yay! How about we just give it to you right here? Yeah. It's going too far. Come on. 1, 2, up. Woo! Good catch. Now you wag your tail. Happy? Oh, you see somebody coming? Is there somebody coming? He just wanted you, right? Okay, get happy? I want to see you wag your tail. 2, 3. Wag your tail. Yeah, you go. You wag your tail when you're happy. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wag your tail. Oh, there you go. Wag your tail. Are you pretty? Are you pretty duck? You wag your tail. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Wag your tail. Wag your tail. All right, you happy duck. How about it for 1, 2, whoop. Whoa, almost got that. Wag your tail. There you go. Aren't you cute? You want to come up a little closer? There you go. Get it. There you go. There you go, honey. There you go. We won't count to 3. Here. Oh, look at your head going up. Uh-oh, they're coming. Go get them. They're all coming. What are we going to do? You got to protect me. You see the other guys coming? Go tell them you don't want them here. Get them out of here. Go ahead. You go tell them. Come on, honey. Come on, Big Red. Come on, it's okay. They're not going to come here, are they? Huh? You watch and guard, huh?